อะไร
Okay, good morning, teacher.
Good morning ค่ะ
Okay, how are
morning
you
ค่ะ
today?
I'm fine how are
Oh,
you
yes, I'm okay, and I'm happy to see you again.
yeah second time
Second time. Okay, yes. So for today, we're going to talk about your Excel. After
yeah
that, I'm going to share you some documents about the common mistakes the teachers commit when they take their video. Yeah.
yeah
Okay, so shall we start with your Excel?
okay show this one
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you have a lot in your Excel. Okay.
I have to write it down a lot
Okay. Yes. Share with me.
um for my Excel I talked about last week all my tasks all my work
Yes.
and all the tasks last week I have a lot of meeting with big boss and all the leaders. Yeah, and all the things that big boss said is all about decoration, the building, uh, all the building, the garden, everything, and all the policy that they have. So we have to follow actually 100%
Okay.
like that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wait, how about this? He always say decorate or we say improve the environment.
yeah,
Yeah. So what are you
yeah.
doing to that?
Garden.
Oh, gardening.
Garden, yeah, we have to cut the tree. Teacher Num always come and said, this is long already. You have to cut it again and again and again and again.
Wow. So your school must be like no trees already. You cut
We
down your
have a lot
trees.
of we have a lot of space, right?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. A lot.
Yeah,
It's very wide.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Big area. Yeah. And the other things is other work like teaching video clip
Yes.
or yeah, right now because we have to push our teacher to do it and some complain some okay some something like that you understand right because we have there are 4 sections in our school.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think some teacher is okay about it and who knows the technology who can do everything with technology is easy for them, but
Yeah.
the other thing is the problem is with the own teacher or the people who don't want to do it like that.
Yes, maybe they find it difficult to do it because sometimes they're not
Yeah,
ready to do that. Yeah.
yeah, but we try already. We try like you don't have to do it difficult, you have to do it easy as you can whatever.
Yes.
Yeah, but we try Rissa.
Okay. So
Yeah,
how many clips do you aim for a week?
actually one clip one day, right? So
Yes.
this week we have to do the 8 clip 8 9 10 11 12. Yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah.
And yeah, right now like you see we have doing it now. Yeah,
You
and
have
today
behind
we
the
will
scene.
send yeah, today we will send it to you now.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's good. Okay. Yeah.
And nothing that much because most of the thing. Oh, and I have to do the schedule for big boss, like how many classes per one teacher a week or
Yes.
something like that. Who is the homeroom teacher or so on like that.
Ah. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Nothing special. And our situation, our social, our country, our world situation now like that.
Yes.
Yeah. ไม่มีแล้ว no
No more.
yeah
Okay.
no more
Yeah. So we go back about the teaching tips that the teachers
yeah
give. Okay. So actually, yeah, like we've been saying, like they don't have to do it difficult. If they cannot do
yeah
PowerPoint, it's okay. They can just go to a classroom and then teach the normal way we do. Yeah. So
yeah
it won't be a problem. And with here, like I said a while ago, I'm going to share with you the common mistakes so that
yeah
you're going like leaders of every school can help check because for the checking team, we have the checking team, PM and
uh,
me.
yeah
We
yeah yeah
cannot finish your clips because there are many. So
yeah
now
yeah yeah I
we
understand
we need somebody. anybody to help us. So we have the leaders. So we
Uh-huh.
give you the ideas like, okay, like the very first, like we have to say one day, one clip, they have to do that, 10 minutes.
Mhm.
And they
Mhm.
have to at least integrate English as much as possible. And we have
Mhm.
the wordings. They have to put wordings because sometimes like reading and listening will help a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm going to show you the common mistakes so you can help us remind the teachers. Okay, here.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Can you see that now?
Yeah, yeah, can.
Okay. Yeah. I listed this because like most of the teachers, they are actually they're asking like, "Are you ready?" But they're not
Mhm.
aware that they're saying like, "Are you ready?"
Or
Yeah.
are
So
you
yeah,
ready? Yeah.
like in the mind they're asking like prom liang, are you ready, but they did
Uh-huh.
not notice when they say the word it's lady. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
so we note that. And here the second is like the question is correct. They ask the question like, how is the weather today, or how is the weather look like, what is the weather like, but the teacher answered like say, I am hot. Sometimes teachers like, yeah, they know, we know what they're saying, but sometimes when they
Yeah.
say this
Yeah.
one, yeah, the meaning is different already. So they have to
I'm
say,
hot. I'm hot.
yeah. So we have to tell the teachers because they're not aware. But what they
Uh-huh.
like to say is, I feel hot. Yeah, but they
Uh-huh.
say sometimes like, I am hot. Oh my
I'm
God.
hot.
Yeah. And
Okay.
and here, uh, I understand that we let them try to speak in English even if they are Thai, like they're teaching Thai language or whatever in
Mhm.
math. Yeah, and we always say like when there are many, like we have to add S, right? Yeah, so we have to
Mhm.
remind the teachers to put S. Yeah, this one's,
Okay.
yeah.
Mhm.
Your English is very good, so you can help us much with this. Yeah, and in here, I say. When the teachers speak, yeah, they speak like how many butterflies are there. But when they are going to put the wording,
Mhm.
oh, they forgot to put like this. Yeah, sometimes they speak it correctly, but when they're going to put the wording, they write the wrong word.
Wrong.
Yes,
Mhm.
right. Ah,
Okay.
and here, the very beginning of the lesson, they always say, "Okay, good morning, students. Today I will teaching you." Yeah, so I put there the correct ones. They say,
Mm-mm.
yeah, today we will study
Ah,
about, yeah, something like that. So
I will teach about.
these are the common mistake. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so we remind them so that
Yeah.
we are
Okay.
going to have a better video. I tell you gossip. Like in Supawit,
Again.
there is
Yeah.
the like yeah. Last night we posted one video from the Filipinos in here,
Uh
and
huh.
like on YouTube. And after 2 minutes, we have a viewer from America. Wow.
Wow.
He
Really.
watched he watched the clip and he commented, I love it. Yeah. So
Really.
I'm happy,
Wow.
I'm happy. And I searched where is that viewer from? Where is he from? And we found out that he is from America. So the teacher closed the comment portion because he doesn't like to be having negative comments. He think
Yeah.
a lot. He think a lot.
Yeah.
But actually I say, oh, that's
Mm.
happy. You should be inspired. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. But good comment is okay, right? But
Good comment
if
because
not good, so close it. Close it.
he decided to
Delete it.
close.
Delete it.
Yeah. Okay, we go on. Yeah. So for the
Okay.
spelling of the words, because the teachers present 5 or 3 words before they discuss, they
Uh
always
huh.
say the word sapel.
Sapel.
Okay, spell the word. Yeah. And this
Okay.
one, when they say
Egg.
topai, say next, neck. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. And so maybe we can ask some Filipino teachers to do a simple drill with the teachers.
Uh huh.
Yes.
Uh huh.
Yeah. These are the common
Tawel.
mistakes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So actually we are improving a lot, but we can make it better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I send you this file so you can give to the teachers and they can
Uh huh.
improve better. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we do that. Okay. Do you
Okay.
have something, or do you add something, or you have something to say?
No.
Okay.
ไม่มี
No more. No more.
ไม่มี
Okay.
now yeah
Yeah, so
okay
that's it for today. We follow up
โอเคค่ะ
and you can help us check the clips. Yeah.
โอเค yeah
Okay. And for next week, we're going to make appointment again. Okay.
โอเค โอเค
Okay.
ค่ะ
Goodbye,
โจชิ
teacher.
ช
See
นุ่ม
you. Yeah.
โอเค โอเคค่ะ บ๊ายบาย
Okay. Yes. Bye bye.
บ๊ายบายค่ะลิฟต์มิทติ้งแล้วได้ว่า
ไม่ได้คุย